Swift's bold claim is that because of this principle of progressive disclosure, it's an easy language to like learn, and maybe harder to master. But it's you should be able to like just dive straight in, not worry about the things you don't need to worry about yet. Like write basic code, and it should be simple and easy to understand. And I think there is a lot of truth in that. I mean, people keep saying, "Oh, Swift's the new C++. It's got all these complicated, weird features in it." It's like, but okay, yeah, sure. But how often do you actually run into those things in your day to day? Like, have you ever seen, consumable or whatever? Like, have you ever encountered these keywords in code that you didn't like deliberately like put it there? It's just not. It's not at the forefront of the language, right? It's not like the first thing you encounter. When you're trying to write hello world, you don't have to worry about whether like your variable is being consumed or not, or whether it's async. Like you don't hit these things. So I do think that the language is quite approachable. And you have things like Swift Playgrounds where, I mean, maybe if the sort of editor was a little bit more stable, I think it would actually be quite easy for novice programmers to use. The language is it's just sort of simple looking. It's deceptive. Like it's not actually that simple, but it looks simple. And for doing simple things, I think it is pretty simple. The fact that it keeps memory management and stuff out of the way and so on. I think there is a danger to the sort of veneer of simplicity that, particularly with Swift UI, I think Swift UI enters into the realm of being so much more complicated than it actually looks, that it's very easy to shoot yourself in the foot. I mean, even as I like to think, experienced developer, I often find with Swift UI that I'll make some minor typo or something, and I'll be sitting there for 10 minutes thinking, why isn't this running?